Hello and welcome to RevenueTube and our new video on how to make money on YouTube, getting your grammar right. RevenueTube is all about giving you what you need to start and succeed at your own online business. In these first videos I'll cover my top 10 tools for helping you work faster and smarter. After these videos we're going to show you the very best way to make money on YouTube, bar none. That'll be video 11. Don't miss it. In a little while I'm going to show you a couple of very important features that make this tool pure gold and show you why you need this in your toolkit. Okay, so as online entrepreneurs we all have to create lots of content, and we all want to make sure that our content is high quality and doesn't have any silly grammatical errors. This is where Grammarly comes in. Let me show you how this incredible free tool stops you from making all sorts of horrible grammatical errors on everything from Facebook posts to video scripts. Okay, so all you have to do is install Grammarly as a Chrome extension to allow the app to assist you with grammar on every site you visit. Now, I'm not going to demonstrate Grammarly for you here, as I'm sure you're all familiar with how a spell checker works, and Grammarly works in the same way, but also stops you from making yourself look daft in several other important ways. It corrects spelling, punctuation and grammar errors, enhances vocabulary, corrects contextual errors and improves your writing style. There's just a couple of other things to mention. When installed as a Chrome extension, Grammarly will be there to hold your hand in pretty much every online dialog box you use. If for some reason you don't want it there, you can disable it one time or permanently from that site. Did you know you can also install Grammarly for Word or Mac for free? It will sharpen up your content and save you from yourself on a daily basis. Hopefully you found this presentation helpful in preparation for how to make money on YouTube. If you'd like to know more about this tool or have any other questions, please leave a comment below. In our next video, I'll be showing you how you can produce stunning professional designs in minutes for free. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see other great tips, tricks and tools to help you succeed in your online business.